So, hi, a very good evening. 5 p.m. by the watch. Shashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff. Yeah. So, here it is. Cheers to a lovely cup of coffee. I'm the founder and the CEO of the setup. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff. And as you can see, I'm taking a break and I'm kind of working my mind on some ideas and thoughts. I mean, wherever you call, people are discussing and speaking about pollution. I'm sure it would be happening with you as well. In case it's not, lucky you. So the point is, I'm sharing a few thoughts on kind of working on your creativity even at this point of time, in spite of the fact that you have a weather constraint or a challenge and you're not able to go out much and stuff. I just did and I came back and the result is burning eyes and stuff. So a good idea to wear glasses. So my thought share is now on creativity, including nature, getting nature into environments and spaces. So flora and fauna works the best because the moment you go out after infrastructure, you take a look at the greenery around, the trees around and stuff. They teach you this in interior design and in creativity and in architecture, designs and concepts and stuff. So landscaping, vertical gardens and balcony enhancements and interiors and wallpapers and of course your own creations, which is like mine. We have sofa fabrics and we have lamps, and then there are trays and there are other accessories which have the concepts of bioarchitecture and flora and stuff. Lots of luxury brands, if you were to look around and if you were to see the various showrooms in India retail, definitely have lots and lots of designs which are so beautifully and amazingly done with the themes of birds and flowers and stuff like that. Why am I sharing this? I'm sharing this because this is what you miss out on the most when you step out now. So my read is, sorry, it's not a read, sorry, it's an unedited one. It's basically on it's on nature flora. So till now I've just shared small concepts, which is baskets and flowers and designs with those and stuff. So this is a concept which just came to my mind as I was walking into a lobby and I took a look at something and I was like, this could be kind of extended to probably a setup which is in with nature, maybe butterflies, or maybe it can have flowers again and stuff. So the idea is to have a like a have not cutouts but yeah, kind of close to cutouts and stuff, have installations or designs of flowers, which could be in different material depending on your budget and stuff. So you have a small setup in your office, in your workspace, in your lobby, in your hotel, in the cafe, in a workshop, um, in a restaurant or wherever you are. So you have these interesting setups which can be done. This can be thematic. When you go into a mall, you see these, but the point is, how about extending those to the lobbies? A lot of high-end, high-end buildings in India may have those, but we don't see too many of those. So if you're in a high-end building, probably you could include this in your own lobby. Or I wish I could do this. Every idea I kind of share, I want to do something around it. So the point is, it's really it's a classy, sophisticated one. You have a setup which is flowers, your favorite flowers, or you have, let's say, your gates, or you have long vertical kind of gates or slabs which have got themes in those. So those could be butterflies. Those could be probably yes, flowers again. Those could probably be nature. Those could be themes that you really like. Probably if you like